What's up, one people? Welcome back to Just Vibes Radio. And if you're a new viewer, make sure you say subscribe now and click that bell icon to turn on your post notification. So, I did a video earlier about the devastating earthquake that hit Jamaica massively. You see, but in this video, I'm gonna elaborate more as to what really happened. You see, like here I can see where my co-workers were exiting the building. You see it after a moment after the earthquake. Is in people. So it was so scary, may I tell you the truth. Like for the first part of everything, persons thought it was like something normal, like probably a big truck was passing by, until about a minute after the place was still shaking. Persons were like, what really happened? And normally whenever there is an earthquake, we would actually do drills and stuff like that. The way it happened, no one didn't know that it was really, until the last part where people say, no man, it's take too long for that now, you see. So a lot of us ran outside and was there, you see it, until we heard the call that there's a tsunami watch and everyone had to exit the building within less than 10 minutes. So there you go, you saw my co-workers exiting the building. It was just pure chaos, people. You see, like outside was filled with a lot of persons were heading out. You get me? I say, like, I imagine if it was much more devastating, whereas building were, you see my people, and time I say again, Jamaica is a blessed country. You see, it's a blessed country, me I tell you, because it could have been worse. Just imagine you sitting down in an enclosed area and just all of a sudden the building starts shaking and you have to like go down the amount of stairs and all that. You see, so it's actually a scary moment. You see it, and as I said in my previous video, it's the first time I've ever felt like a earthquake like stayed for so long. Usually within a few seconds, but this one seems as if it was beyond 2 minutes or even more. You see my people, so thank God, say everybody alright and thing. I haven't heard any damage done to any facilities or any industry or anything like that. You see, so give thanks. And as I said in the previous video, if anything should happen to any institution or any infrastructure, should say, we have come on, we couldn't know. But so far there haven't been any damage more than just a tsunami watch. You see it, so there's a tsunami watch currently on the lookout right now where people can actually, you see it, it's a warning in effect for Jamaica and the following other parts in Cuba as well. You see it, and remember people, it's a 7.7 magnitude earthquake. That's a powerful earthquake. You see it, that's a powerful earthquake. Not only Jamaica felt it, other parts in the Caribbean felt it. You see it, with neighbor like Cuba and some parts of Cayman felt it also. You see it was a busy day. It was a busy day. Like I first me I see so much crowd on the road, my people. You see it, so as I can see right there, so that workplace can't too throw on the face because where it go, me can probably get in a trouble because me didn't never ask somebody for video, me just video it because me want people to see what really happened and how persons were so shocked and all that. You see me? But when people were moving on, you see, we're moving on. So there was actually allegedly a case with the coronavirus in Jamaica. You see, there was a case. So there's actually some update that the coronavirus case was false. It's not true. It's not true, should say. You see, but people, somebody had reported it. You see it. Somebody had reported it earlier, saying that they thought there was a case in Jamaica. I think as you can see on the screen now, I think her name is Andrea Shizam. You see, but she later tweeted that, and I quote, update from health ministry. Patient was transferred from another hospital to UHWI. Doctors evaluated patient at accident and emergency department. Then she also said in another tweet that the patient does not meet the case definition of the coronavirus, but out of an abundance of caution, the doctors just wanted to ensure that they discussed this. The patient is doing well, does not have a fever above 38 degrees. You see, some people, it was a shock. Earlier today, it was all over the news that there has been a case in Jamaica. People start fret because people are saying, Jesus, first thing come to the people in mind, me picking them. You see me? So, Jano, and me myself they are afraid to my people, because I tell you the truth, like Jamaica cannot manage a virus like that. You see how China actually has struggled to contain it within their own countries. You see it, so me no feel Jamaica can manage something like that, and I pray so you don't reach here. Even though a scientist from the Colorado State of University in America, I'm not even sure it's a speculation. He's saying by the next 3 months, if the health ministry or whosoever in higher eds do not contain or control this virus, it can actually spread throughout more than 31 countries. You see, we cannot afford that right now. You see me? We definitely can't afford, because this is a crisis. This is a crisis because it is affecting one of the country who is responsible for the economical backbone of Jamaica and also other countries. So it's actually China is facing something massive right now. You see it, the country is actually in lockdown. Beijing and other parts of China. You see me? I also have a few friends in China, but I'm trying to get an interview with them shortly. You see my people, but it's actually a big things are going on with people. You see, big things are going on. First, it was the wildfire in Australia. You see it. Then we come see this massive outbreak here back in late December. It still is actually an outbreak because them still can't contain it. It come like it has spread evil. It has increased rather than decreasing. I'm not sure if the more than likely have already found a cure for it, but persons are still dying. I think it's 80 plus persons died early in Beijing. That's just what was recorded, and we know some more people dead from that. You see it? We see the minister come out and talk, see how the coronavirus thing is actually a fake thing. And may I wonder how them shed light upon this outbreak. So you see it, and they have never come up front to talk about the dengue outbreak. And them are going to listen about it, and we know see a lot of children have passed away. You have more than 5 persons passed away, children should say rather, from that dengue outbreak. And no one came to the forefront to talk about it. You see, but I guess because this is actually a bigger outbreak, even though it still hasn't reached Jamaica as yet. We pray it not reach Jamaica because Jamaica cannot manage something like that with people. But we still have a lookout. Keep a finger crossed, see how somebody don't carry it come out Jamaica here, because you know the China thing going, the China border, the people constantly to and from China to Jamaica. And you know, so that, as I said, they're one of the main partners in growing the countries economically. So you know a lot of importing, and you know how that go. You see my people, so all the best goes out to China. We pray for them so them get over the outbreak and Janu. Devastating earthquake. Glad to say it never worse than that. You see me? But my people, what I have to say, did you feel the earthquake? What was going through your mind during those couple of minutes? You see it. And in regards to the coronavirus, you think that it will actually reach Jamaica? You think it will cause more death through China? Comment in the comment section below, and until next time, Just Vibes Radio.